Hello students, today we will read about chapter 1 of economics class 9, the story of Palampur. In that chapter we will be studying about production, factors of production. So I have created this short for the basic introduction of the same. First, we should know the meaning of production. That clearly says that process of creating goods and services. Goods or services के creation के process को we call it as a production, and the goods and services are created just to satisfy the human needs. Then for doing production we need some we require some material or some inputs, you can say. Those are called as factors of production. So we basically have 4 factors of production. First one is a natural resource, which is land. Second is a human effort, which we can call as labor. Third is the physical capital, and it is bifurcated into 2 parts. First is the fixed capital and second is the working capital, and last is human capital. ठीक है, ये बेसिक फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन है. ये दीज आर द इनपुट्स, दीज 3 लैंड, लेबर, फिजिकल कैपिटल, दीज आर द इनपुट्स एंड दे विल बी invested so that we can get a proper output. Now what is fixed capital? Once purchased it can be used for a longer period of time. एक बार आप इसको purchase कर लेते हो तो you can use it for a longer duration of time. For example, tools machines एक बार खरीद लेते हैं तो काफ़ी लंबे टाइम तक आपका एक इन्वेस्टमेंट हो जाता है. तो that is called as a fixed capital. Then we have working capital. This type of capital needs to be purchased again and again during the process of production. जैसे रॉ मटेरियल हो गया, मनी हो गया, ये आपको बार बार इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है अगर आप प्रोडक्शन के प्रोसेस में हो. तो जो चीज़ें you have to purchase again and again during the process of production, we call them as working capital. Now we have got land, labor and physical capital. Now these have to be put together by someone who can utilize them in a wise manner so that a proper output can be obtained. So we have human capital. Intelligence and skill required to combine all the 3 factors of production to produce an output is called human capital. Now as the 3 factors of production are with us, we require some intelligence and enterprise that can combine all these factors of production to produce an output. That we call it as a human capital. So this was the basic introduction, production, creation of goods and services. Then we have factors of production, land, labor, physical capital divided into 2 parts, fixed capital, working capital, and lastly we have human capital.